Watch this chimp. He first starts looking at the people that are watching him. Then he scratches his ear and looks at and listen to the people. What they say, especially the little girl, what she says. Okay. He just keeps looking.
Why are you doing this? Alright, you ready to keep walking?
What's that? Hello.
Then he picks up this strap holder and tries, inspect it and see what's all this about. Maybe this could be used for a good tool. And he scratches his head and said, maybe not. He decides to do something else. He decides to clean this platform. He scrapes it with his fingers. He gives us the cold shoulder. And here he is right now. He looks like he's deep in thought. And he scratches his nose, but he's not. He's really looks like he's just cleaning his hands. And do a lot of grooming. Here's a closer view of this. They make sure that all the bugs are out and dirt and so forth.